talking out his body like he bout that life. 05 at his head, I'm gon' bust on sight. These niggas swear she sweet, but they claim they G. She got me, yeah, the sweet can't get enough of me. Feel like I'm B.I.G., it was all a dream.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy TakeOffLee, and I'm back with another video. It's not my video, but you know, this is my A220 Mercedes Benz. It's not no regular A220, by the way. So this is like one of a only edition, only 1,000 made. You know, we got the grill looking like diamonds, a custom made. Not really custom, it just you won't find it on the A220, but the A220, not all A220 have splitters. That's why this is like one of a one. Y'all probably gonna be like, oh, this is a regular A220. Nah, it's geeked the fuck up. LED lights, having that check looking like a CLS, and y'all probably wondering why is this so bright? It is wrap. Y'all go check that video out. And what else? Rims. These are stock rims. They look hard, to be honest. Like, all other car rims be ass as hell. It's funny because when I copped this car, I didn't even check the rims. I was like, I fuck with the inside, I'm getting it. It's the AMG rims package. AMG. You know what I'm saying? And, you know, I had to get smoke tail lights because not a lot of cars be having smoke tail lights. So I was like, they give the aggressive look. And, yeah. It's geeked up. When I say geeked up, it is straight pipe. Just to let y'all know. It is straight pipe and a stage 2 tune, Burbos pushing 266 horsepower.
Perfect.
Yes, excellent.
So you probably hear that.
Oh my God, what is that? Oh my God, what is that?
You feel me? And it is catless, so I don't know if you will smell the smell. Took the catless off, that's why I give a little boost of horsepower. I was like, why not? I need a loud car. And y'all stay tuned. If you want more videos with this car, let me know.
Still knocking, nigga. Fuck tone right.
Alright, for this A220, this is a keyless entry. So you could just open the car just by going in and it open up without the key being in your hand and just lock it up. You go like that. Go for both sides. Not a lot of cars have that, but you could just go like that, open up and close. Easy. Keyless entry. Back from the inside of the A220 and air vents. I think y'all probably know about these cars, but y'all don't really know so much about them, so I have to show y'all. So dashboard coming up, I could set it up in every different type of way I want. Progressive. This is when I'm speeding or when I put the car on sport, as you can see. And I got sunroof. A lot of these bitches have sunroof. Sorry if I'm cursing a little bit too much, but a lot of them have sunroof. And I could turn off the traction with this. Like, it's a front wheel drive car, so you can't really do too much with a front wheel drive car. And I would change it back. I could go back to sport and changing the display. Eco, I always drive on Eco because Eco is pretty convenient sometimes. As you can see, it is catless. With the full gas miles, I will get 330 miles, but since it is catless, it's basically really 280. Overall, this is how you use a touchscreen. It is touchscreen, so if you got a, you know what I'm saying, I could change the color of the Airbnb lighting. I don't really know how to say that shit, I ain't gonna lie. But lights, change, what color y'all want to know? Comment down. I put glacier blue, yellow. You can't really see it. You can see it, but it is bright as fuck. So I always keep that shit on red moon because it changed multiple colors and it's pretty cool. Like if you have a little saying,
it's what's I'm saying. Don't they say back in there motherfucker. Back in there motherfucker.
If you have a little chick, you can do a little something. If you want a base model, it's a good pick for your first car, in my opinion, because the car is like $30,000 and real good spacious car. You paying what you get. It's really safety, reliable, and for a base model car, bro, I can't say it's a base model. It is a base model, but I geeked it up. Like I said, tune, straight pipe, catless, all that. I really like to keep it on this because if y'all want to hear it, y'all can hear it. Do a little pop burbles. And let me know down in the comments if y'all want another car review. Alright, so if y'all didn't know, this is a 4-cylinder. Not a lot of Mercedes come 6-cylinder stock because German just want to save gas, but it's not an AMG, so it's going to be a 4-cylinder, obviously. And my turbo is right under here if you don't know. And catless is going to be under the car, like right inside the car. And my air intake is right in the bottom. For some reason, it's not an open air intake because my CPU chip is right here. That's where you could tune the car. That is crazy. And battery is right here. Not really a lot going on for this car, to be honest. Not a V8, not yet, but
What it do, YouTube? It's your boy GlobalRellTV. I just want to give a special shout out to that boy Lee. Y'all make sure y'all subscribe to his channel at TakeOffLee. And my boy did speak into existence because he just got himself a wide body scat. So y'all go to his page and y'all turn him up. But without further ado, let's get back to the video.
shit. 266 horsepower. Stock horsepower is 188. It's crazy, to be honest, but I got that bitch moving 266. Pretty fast, and it's a pretty light car, so if you just cutting up through traffic, it's really going to be easy. It's like a fin, to be honest. Like a fin. But yeah.
With me still, watch the ones you call friends, just survival of the fittest. They say rail shining bright, yeah, something like the dentist.